Alrighty guys, out here on this big job. Got what I paid for with this little Chinese excavator. Got the slew motor, or swing motor, whatever you want to call it. Typical problem with these, they loosen up. Okay, the only way to get to them is to pull this off. I got this side panel off too, just to make it easy. What happens is, if you see, loosen right up. Bolt come out. And what we're going to do is Loctite it. Get yourself some thread lock. Get the red kind, because you don't want to do this again. Okay. Put it on the threads. And put it down in there. There's 4 of them. They're all loose.